Special offers, creating meal deal offers, grouped offers. Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to make offers where you have to buy one or more items, and you also have to buy another one from another group of items as well. So if we go to special offers to start with, I'm going to delete this offer here. I'm going to create a new offer. I'm going to say buy example product 1 and example product 2. Okay, so this would be like, the equivalent would be like an offer such as a meal deal. So you have to buy one sandwich, one drink, and, you know, one packet of crisps or anything like that. So, but you could choose any of the range of each. So what we're going to do is we're going to say discount total by a percentage, 20% off, tick. So this part stays exactly the same. Next, though, we're going to click Edit Items. And as you can see on the left, these are subgroups. In the last video, we just clicked on that and changed it to the quantity we want. We didn't mention what these are. So these are subgroups. Every subgroup has to be satisfied, and you can even give them a name. So if I double click this, I'll say example product 1. In a meal deal example, you could say this could be drinks 1, and then you can add another one. And this one could be crisps or sandwich or something. So I'm only going to do 2 though here. And you need to buy one of those and one of those. Okay, you don't have to name them, but it's up to you. Add products. So in the first one, there we are. I'm going to put just one of those in. So again, if that was drinks, you could have all the drinks here, all the sandwiches there. So I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to put in number 2 there. So basically, you have to buy one of those and you have to buy one of those for this offer to work. Okay, close it. And like I said in the last video, always test it. So we're going to close that, click sales mode. So if I put 1, it works. If I put another one in, it doesn't. However, if I put one of those in and one of those in, the offer kicks in straight away. If you press the question mark next to an item and click offers, you can see what offers the product it currently applies with. So if ever it lights up orange and you're not sure how to upsell it to the customer because you don't know what offer it is, just click off question mark and then offers, and it will show all the offers that applies to this product. If you click edit items, you don't even have to use quantity. You could use weight or the total price. So you could say spend £10 or more for this offer to work, or so on. Usually though, you use quantity needed. If you need the extra space, this will also hide and show whenever you need to as well.